In today's video, we are going to show you how to change postage on Vinted. Whether you are listing a new item or updating shipping options, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, and I want you to click the settings. Here, all I have to do is go to the shipping options because this is where you can find your posted options. As you may notice, you can see that all I have to do is change the where couriers will collect or deliver orders. Right now, I'm using this address. All I have to do is click the pencil icon. Alright? And of course, create a new address line. For example, we are going to say we now move to New York and change the zip code, for example, right here, and click the save address. It's super simple. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, we have already changed our address. If you choose to have your address as the courier collects option. But if you want to choose a drop-off point instead, so you can take the order to a location like a locker or package shop, you can do so. You can choose from a Better Trucks or USPS. Well, now please understand that some shipping options are enabled for all the sellers on the platform and can't be turned on right here. And basically that's it for today's video on how to change postage on Vinted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.